Hi, my name is Lydia Waterman, and today I'm going to demonstrate the recipe function on the myfitnesspal website. After analyzing the usability of two fitness sites for individuals hoping to improve their health, the site myfitnesspal ranked higher than the site Lose It. The recipe database tool was the most significant difference between the two websites. MyFitnessPal allows users to search for recipes or input links from recipes they find online. This is the quickest way to add a recipe. Users can also add their own recipes manually. Once recipes are created, they can be used to enter into a user's food diary. The recipe can be adjusted to the user's serving size. The recipe function enhances the overall experience for users. Pictures can be seen on different recipes and also can be added by the user. Recipes can also be edited after they are created. The recipe function is straightforward and easy to use and easy to learn. Overall, the recipe function on the MyFitnessPal website ranked higher than the one on Lose It. This is one example of how the usability test was used to determine that MyFitnessPal is a better program for new fitness users. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.